Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix Spotify Shuffle plays. For this, open Play Store and on search bar type Spotify. First, you need to update your Spotify. After your update, open your Spotify app. Now in Spotify, go to the option Your Library. Now select any playlist. Now here you can watch option cross arrow. If the option is on, Spotify will play shuffle songs. By turning off the option, Spotify will not play shuffle songs. Hope you like the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.